So I recently got this comment. She said, my friend's baby is 2 now, Postinor 2 fails. This kind of made me realize that many of you might be wondering, does Postinor 2 really work? Is it a sure bet for pregnancy prevention? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 reasons why Postinor 2 might not work. So you might want to hear this before relying on it again. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I'm a registered nurse midwife with a BNSC degree. On this channel, we'll talk about all things health. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that when I upload subsequent videos, you'll be the first to get notified. With that being said, let's dive straight into the video. One of the reasons why Postinor 2 will not work is because you are already pregnant. If you don't know whether you're pregnant and you go ahead to take Postinor 2, it won't work. Let's say you've had unprotected sex in the last couple of days and you didn't even know you were pregnant. You probably might have miscalculated your cycle. So if you take Postinor 2, it's not going to work. It won't stop the pregnancy from growing because it is not an abortion pill. It only works to stop or delay your ovulation. It doesn't even work after your ovulation. So if you take it when you've already ovulated or when you are already pregnant, it's not going to work. The second one is ovulation timing. Timing is very important when it comes to Postinor 2. It is one of the most critical factors in its effectiveness. So if you take Postinor 2 during or immediately after your ovulation, it won't be effective. This is because Postinor 2 contains levonorgestrel, a hormone that inhibits the release of an egg from the ovary. You know, during ovulation, the ovary releases egg, but when you take Postinor 2 before ovulation, what it does is that it helps to prevent or delay these eggs from being released so that when the sperm swim through, it doesn't see any egg to fertilize. This is why it's important for you to understand your menstrual cycle as a lady, because once this egg is being released during ovulation, then you have unprotected sex. Postinor 2 is not going to be effective. It won't prevent the pregnancy. The fourth one is vomiting after taking Postinor 2. If you throw up right after taking the pill, it might not work. Vomiting within 2 hours of taking Postinor 2 can prevent it from being absorbed properly into your bloodstream. So instead of you to start doubting if the pill is there or not, it's advisable to take another dose as soon as possible. So once vomiting occurs, Postinor 2 might not be effective. The fifth one is if you have a higher BMI or obese, the chances of Postinor working decreases. Research has shown that women with a higher BMI may need a higher dose for it to work. So if you find yourself in this category, consult with your doctor to understand the right options for you, as Postinor 2 may not provide the desired results you need. Another reason why Postinor 2 might not work is if it's not taken soon enough. Postinor 2 is most effective when taken as soon as possible after unprotected sex. So the longer you wait, the less effective it becomes. Ideally, it is supposed to be taken within 72 hours. But the sooner the better. Just know that after 72 hours, the chances of preventing pregnancy drop significantly. Lastly, Postinor 2 is not 100% effective. On the average, it has about 85% effectiveness in preventing pregnancy when used correctly. So while Postinor 2 can be an effective emergency contraceptive, timing, body weight, vomiting, and every other thing that we've talked about can affect its success. Always make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and if you have any concern, don't hesitate to see your doctor. Have you ever used Postinor 2? Did it work for you? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell icon beside it for more helpful tips. And always remember, your health is your wealth. Little changes makes a big difference. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.